Hi guys, Jennifer here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you my design team project for OohLaLa Vintage Treasures. This is a kit that she offered called Snippets of Love, and it also has a digital that goes along with the physical kit. So I'm using both the digital and the physical kit to create this, and this is a Slimline journal. And I just wanted to show you from the side. It looks super sweet and fun to play with. So this is Doreen's digitals. Aren't they so pretty? I loved this page so much because it had the florals, it has the word vintage, and then all the bits and pieces collaged together. And I made another one of these like little snippets for the front, basically just little collage little pieces of bits, and then I added her gorgeous charm dangle. This is the one that she had in the kit with all the hearts and the little pink vintage dangle there, and I just thought that looked super cute because you can have it like that. You can also have it hanging off the side. And then on the inside here, you can see that I created a fabric flip up. This is using one of the, this is a rose fabric that she had in one of her kits. And then I created these snippet flowers with her digital and lots of bits of laces and stuff, and then hung this dangle here. And I have a video on these little flowers that I just created. They're not two-dimensional, but they have lots of layers and then give lots of texture. So under here, I added some of her lace. I also did tear some of the pages to give that, like create a little pocket. And then this is one of her pages, and I made it into like a bookmark or a tag or basically a writing journaling spot. And you can tuck little bits of things in there. And then I added this little lace cluster here to the edge just to give some prettiness and femininity. So that's that page. And on this page, I created the pockets, 3 little pockets with her little pink pockets, her digital there. So in the pockets, I have a couple of tags in this one. And I just backed it with coffee dyed papers and used some of her lace on there. And then these are little bitty ones. And I just put a little bitty piece of lace with stapled on. Isn't that cute? And then this is a little top tuck, and I just put one of these little tags. It's just little bits from the paper collection, from her digital paper collection. And then I created this little snippet piece there with pretty little, look at that beaded piece she put in the kit. It's so pretty. And you can see in the background all of her pretty digitals. So this is fun, little places that you can tuck, you know, little quotes or dates or anything that you'd like. You can even put little 2x2 pictures on there if you want to remember a special event. Okay, and then on the next page, this is one of the snippet flowers that I made, and I just used 2 layers, the smallest one and the medium one. And you can see I put little sparkly sequin bits on it and just put lots of layers in there. Then I have some sari silk that is wrapped around this little pull-out, and this is something that we made together on my last video. So this is a little writing spot. You can write on both sides, and you can also tuck anything in there that you might want to keep secret, and then tie it back up. And then here I just did a scrappy pad with little bits that I had left over, and this beautiful piece here that has beads and they're kind of sparkly. little seed beads. And then I just added little elements of the digital papers along with tea dyed paper. And then this comes out, so you can replace this. And I just stapled those together. Tucks right under there. I have another pretty little lace cluster here with a charm dangle, little bits. And then I added the bow to this little clip there. Then on this page, I used some more of the papers to rip for a little pocket. And I have these little journaling cards here from her digitals. And this one tucks right into that little pocket. And this is like a long either bookmark or tag that you can journal on the back of. And then I just added this pretty little embellishment on the side, and it's just layers of fabrics and pretty little pieces of lace and a little charm dangle there. So that goes in there. And then these can go right here, or you can have them however you wish. And then this page here, the last page, I created another little flip out, and I tied it in a very loose knot with this pretty, I think it's like French fabric or French words on it. And then this is one of her little journaling cards that I use as a flip out. And then I made a little pocket using her little pink pockets, put little goodies in there. And then I made two more journaling spots here. This pretty ruffle was in her kit, so I just put that on the side, covered the back with tea dyed paper. Super cute. And then you can just put those in there and then tie this shut. Like that. And then on the back, you see that pretty, beautiful lace paper. I love that. That's so pretty. And then on that, I forgot to show you here that I added the big giant bow that she created with this pretty vintage fabric. And I just pinned it right there to the lace. So if you want to take that off, you can. And then you can see the open spine. I love to see the lace. Looks so pretty. So that is my design team project. For now, I will probably make another one, but I'm not 100% sure. And so I hope you like this Slimline journal. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.